Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Roblox upgrade problem. So let's see how to fix it. First step and hold on Roblox app. Click on app info. Now click on storage usage. Now clear data and search. Now go back and enable all permission. Click on permission. Now enable all permission. You can see my all permission allow it. Now go back and open Play Store. Click search box and search Roblox app. Now click on update. Now wait for update Roblox app. Just wait few seconds. See my Roblox app updating. You can see my Roblox app updating complete. Now click on play option. Now wait few seconds. Now click on sign in option. Now type your username, email or phone number. I enter it my username. Now click next. Now type your Roblox account password. I enter it my password. Now click next. So finally successfully solved your problem. By this way you can easily solve your problem. So if watching the video is helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.